Welcome everybody. Today,
we're a little late.
Yeah, it's a little late. Excuse us, pardon us. But today, we're in the bug.
New car for the channel.
We're doing a fuel. This is gonna be
the gas gauge is Kakiwaki.
Smuckus. The bug. We got a bad gas gauge in the bug. What is this again?
72 Super Beetle.
72 Super Beetle.
You know how to drive this thing?
So you want me going to low or one?
Try going to low.
Is that low?
Yeah, that's low. She squatted.
Where's the accelerator pedal? I'm gonna hit the curb.
Now you're good. Yeah.
Wow. The bug. I like how the doors look like a. You just look like a slab of plywood or something. It's like a fucking just a rectangle. Before we work on this thing, the #1 key to working on a car in a warm environment is to stay hydrated. What do we think? What do we think?
This is a 1972 Super Beetle. Never before seen on the infamous
Wow.
Meow channel.
This thing is sick. It looks like a banana, kind of.
I forget the name of the color, Texas yellow or something. Not me, the car.
Oh, we got a nice interior. Do these come with automatics, any of these?
I believe this is the automatic. It's a 2-speed clutchless.
2-speed clutchless.
But it's low, then first, then second. It's really weird how it's set up. Jesus.
The VW automatic. Look at this, boys. Right there. Automatic. All right. So what's step 1 to get the fuel pump level sensor?
All right. Back up.
Yep.
This car's had a bunch of fucking problems.
Damn.
But they've all been minute. Like, there's no major mechanical flaws or anything with this. It's just like, you know, the fucking knob here was gone, and now we got a new knob on it and shit like that. Fucking minor aesthetic stuff. There's one mechanical problem. The fucking gas gauge.
Well, would that knob be mechanical? Because it lowers it, right?
The fucking window still rolls up or down if you fucking...
the knob worked, but it just was non-existent.
The knob was...
Knob-existent?
But yeah, I ohmed out the fuel level fucking gauge IKIS meter, and she read 19 ohms, ran down the gas a little bit, and then it read 28, and then didn't run the gas down at all, just came back and read it one more time after about 5 minutes, and then it read 17 ohms. So I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't touch this thing. It went from 28 to 17 ohms. That's fucking poop cock.
What's the spec on the ohms on the potentiometer?
On the potentiometer, I believe, from what I researched, is 0 to 100 ohms.
Those are cheap?
Yeah.
How much was that?
Around 30 bucks, I think.
You know what that looks like? Alright.
Go on. Get it over with.
So how do you open the frunk on the Beetle?
Very simple, little Jimmy.
Wow. It looks like my turd.
It looks like Oppenheimer.
That looks like...
Yes, underneath Chernobyl, there is the John. There she is, right there, clear as day.
Oh wow!
But to get it out, that's gotta go. We're gonna take it out, and it should be just 2 clamps. We'll see. There's a.
How do we take that out?
There's a nuclear waste right here.
That looks like what comes out of my bum bum
from 72, I believe.
That definitely has asbestos in it. Is that the fuel tank right there?
No,
it's not.
No, that's the. I got nothing.
I think that looks like the fuel tank to me.
It is.
It looks like a suitcase.
I wonder when people are gonna get sick of these jokes. Like you fucking do 20 already.
This will be the last.
We're gonna click off.
Welcome to all the new people, by the way. Thanks for subscribing. We got like 20 new subscribers.
The Z videos keep going up. Oh my.
What? What, dude?
There's no. The fucking.
What the hell?
There's no clamps. Or at least on this side, there's no clamp. It's just fucking. It's floating there.
That looks like my fucking toenail.
If somebody out there owns one of these and knows a shit ton about them, please leave a comment and say if this is a fucking factory thing or not. I'd believe it. I'd believe you if you said it was. But this thing is fucking. That is absurd. Who the fuck did that?
Dude, can you calm down with the language?
No, there should be a legitimate clamp, not a fucking a towel I wipe my ass with, fucking clamped together by a fucking rivet, a sheet metal rivet or some shit. I wasn't alive.
My forehead's getting really moist.
Holy shit! Give me the camera. Oh no, bro! Let it focus. Let it focus. What the fuck is that?
That looks like a wire that's not connected to anything to me.
Thank you for that. The fuck is it connected?
Dude,
by?
can you?
I'm looking to see what it's connected by.
Probably a fastener. Is the whole car just put together with Phillips screws?
It really could.
The engine, the rods.
Besides the fucking engine and maybe some suspension stuff, the fucking whole rest of the car is probably screws and fucking wood screws.
Ooh, we got one more. All right, guys. So we think this is held on by these Phillips screws. We only had 2 of them in there, but there is supposed to be 3.
It looks like yeah.
What a.
These aren't automotive gloves.
You look like you're about to go bale some hay with those fucking things.
Dude, I know a couple hogs.
Oh my god. Oh, that looks like it to me. Yup. Nice. Maybe you should try not using gardening gloves. Maybe you can get some dexterity back.
I'm trying to avoid the fucking asbestos.
That's fine.
My hands.
You can only build an immunity to asbestos when you're exposed to it. That's why I ate as many paint chips as I could. Lead paint chips. You ever eat lead paint chips?
No.
I ate a couple of them.
Prong here.
Prong
here. Now let's go over to the other one.
Okay.
Look at that real quick.
Alright.
There's a prong in the middle there. But
Prong.
What in the world is on the side? What in the...
It looks like
what
another
in the
wire.
fucking Uncle Joe? Uncle...
It looks
what,
like...
What do you say out on the field?
It looks like fucking
stick welder out on the farm.
Billy Bob took the damn stick welder out on the farm.
He's back at it again. Somebody messed that up.
Yeah, that
Gotta
was
fix that.
That's bad.
Disconnected one.
Make sure to create as many sparks as possible when dealing with stuff by the gas tank. Oh my god. Oh my god, it sounded like something broke.
Could you fuck off? Dude.
Volkswagen. Dude, pull that fucking thing out of there.
Working on it, dog.
Buddy.
There's one.
There you go.
Jesus Christ.
There's a little nubbus. Nice. Nice. Alright, what do we got? So what's
What is that fucking crustacean?
where? Is that Mr. Krabs? Alright, there's the old level sensor. Does that do anything else besides sense the level? No, it does not.
No, it's not a sending unit or anything like that.
Do a quick little couple shots of the bug for you guys. Pretty neat looking vehicle. Can't get too far away from it because I'm in the garage. Little funny little plate there. Air cooled, gang. Well, oil cooled technically, I guess, but you know. What a unit. Got the vibes. Little peach vibes right there. Steering wheel type John. New one is going in. Maybe. If Jameson can squiggle that John in there. Oh, she's in like fucking Flynn, buddy. Oh.
I have to fucking look.
Yeah, no, I ain't bugging.
So I can't spin it to the left. I'm fucking running into something.
Whichever direction you took the other one out at, that's what you gotta start with this one. Alright, we forgot to pick up the camera. We're on a little tight timeline. It's gonna thunder out there, and it's thunderstorm rain.
This is our only way home.
Yeah, we gotta get home. So basically what we did everything we showed you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the gas station, fill it up just to... We're gonna fill it up just to make sure the sensor works, the gauge works, and just test for leaks at the O-ring on the actual gas tank.
A little note, you don't have to fucking spin it round and round. Just give it a little tap.
Yep, little tap, lefty
about
loosey.
an inch of rotation.
Lefty loosey, about a one nash of rotation.
Damn right.
All right, boys. We're at the Glizzy station. Fill up the Glizzag.
So
only 91.
So the gauge was pegged.
Yeah, the gauge is broken. We fucked up. We don't know shit about shit.
The gas was super low. Like we were scraping the bottom with the actual level, so we'll see. We'll see what 40 bucks can do. If we even get that far. It might only be like 30 some.
Please focus.
Get up there. You can do it. You can do it.
It's gone. It stops at half. It actually did. Oh no, she's climbing. She's climbing.
Got the bug back to the fucking station. And
the colony.
got the bug back to the hive. The gas gauge works now, which is very nice. But you may hear my extreme monotone and depressed voice. It's because the fucking O-ring broke when we were installing the fucking Silicus. She fucking snapped the kiss. And we tried to reuse the old O-ring.
I can't focus this fucking camera.
We tried to reuse the old O-ring, and she was a squirter too. So now I gotta order a shit ton of O-rings and just keep trying to install them until it works. But it's really not that serious. It's pretty simple. It's just fucking annoying, really frustrating.
Yeah.
As always, thanks to our 10 viewers, our brothers who watch these videos religiously.
Those are our boys.
Those are our boys. Thanks for the sorry souls that had to sit through this whole video just to hear this depressing end.
Hey, leave a like and comment if we helped you fix your Volkswagen Bug fuel level sensor.
If this video does actually help somebody, that'd be fucking crazy. I'd be really surprised.
Alright, yeah, have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.